This time around, we are going to be drawing the moon. It's cartoon style. We'll start with a big circle. And you don't have to worry about it being too big because we're not drawing anything else outside of the circle this time. An oval in the middle for the nose, as much as you can, make it in the middle. Then we'll do some overlap here. So circle on either side, which overlaps the nose, right? That means it goes on top of it a little bit. And a big smile, so just like a half circle. We'll add some little lines here on the sides to make it look more real. And then lines across on the eyes for eyelids, circles for the pupil. So it looks kind of funny right now, but that's because I'm doing some overlapping, right? So I did the eyelids first, so it's line across, kind of curved, and then the pupil because your eyeball exists under your eyelid still, right? So we're drawing the pupil like this because we know it's still under there. We want to make sure that that looks right, even though we're going to erase that top part because we don't see it. This same goes for the nose. So when it comes to overlapping, it's good to draw it initially, right? At the beginning, just draw it, even though we're not going to see it at the end. It helps it to look more real. A lot of times you'll notice a difference in the drawings that you try that with and the drawings that you don't. Okay, so we're gonna add some more details, some little bit bags under the eyes and extra lines above the eyelids. So we want our moon to look a little sleepy. Add some little half circles for the nostrils on the side of the nose. Now I'm going to draw more heavily. So I always start out drawing light, where I don't push down too hard on my pencil because I know I'm going to erase things. Then I'll go back either with my pencil, pen, marker, whatever I choose, and in your case, whatever you choose, and draw over all the lines that I want to keep. So you'll see like the nose, so I've erased some, and I'm also not drawing that whole oval. I just kind of want the bottom part. And I usually add in a couple little extra things too. And make adjustments. See, little extra lines above the eyelids. Now, since it's a moon, I want some craters. So I'm just throwing in a few ovals here and there. And then I will add a bit more to it to make it look, we'll say mountainous, I guess, like a plateau. So just some little bit of curves on the side to make it look like it's popping up from the surface as much as we can. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to make sense of this, but okay. Now that I've got all those details that I want, I'm outlining the moon, and I don't really want it to be like a perfect circle. The moon's a little lumpy, right? Just a big rock. So we're gonna make it kind of a little rough around the edges. All right, so that is it. And again, you can go over it with marker, crayon, pen, whatever you like, and from there, color it in. Here's my version. Hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time.